on the islands,
Mm.
on the river shore. Yeah.
So how are you going to... Is there any sort of plan to regulate the landscapes, or just...
No, we leave it to nature actually. It's not. It's just we made some holes in it, so it will be the water can get out, and yeah, it's in a way a new created piece of land, and the shape of the islands is not.
That's what we do in Holland. You know, we just create new land.
That's true. Yeah.
It's typical Dutch treat, but then in a different meaning of the word.
But the shape of the islands is not referring to existing islands or something.
Mm.
Island by imagination. Two islands by imagination. Yeah.
But the below part has a bit of the Baja California actually. That doesn't look like Texas. So.
It's a merging of different places.
That determined that this would be the desert island.